Here's a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm sure this works for other years and models. I tried the trick where you turn the key a certain amount of times, you unbuckle 10 times within 60 seconds, and that never worked for me because my seatbelt light would never turn off. That's part of the instruction. Wait for the seatbelt light to turn off, which it never did, and I figured out why. Take a flathead, pry this open, and in here is a broken wire. I have taken off 2 Phillips head screws, pried this off already. I've already removed it. And in here is the broken wire. Broken wire. And I'm going to go ahead and replace the seatbelt part. For this Dodge Ram, it's a T45 Torx screw at the bottom here. Once again, 2 Phillips head screws, and that's it. Make sure everything's torqued down to spec, and this should fix that very annoying problem. And it's fixed. Just got done taking her for a test drive. Light immediately went off, and no annoying chime.